Yo, what's up, YouTube? This video we were talking about credit cleaning. It's something important, like to do while growing your credit. It's a process that takes like 3 months, like half a year. You got to do it yourself though. You can't be lazy. You can't pay somebody to do it because in times like COVID, they might want to sell your information, and you gonna get like your own information sold by trusting others to do it with your social and your docs. It's not, you can't trust people with information like that. So what you gotta do is you gotta get your credit report, a clean, neat one from Identity IQ, Smart Credit. You can also get this AI tool if you want to work smarter and easier too. But you can do it manually. Just don't be lazy with it. There's a lot of steps and processes. Like I said, it takes like less than half a year. Look, usually after the third round, they start deleting. They get scared. Um, what you need is to send out certified mail letters. They're $7.84, $8 each. That's 24 per round. That's $52 for 3 rounds. By the time you get to the third round, they get scared and they start deleting everything. So first, you want to see what inquiries you got that like they probably gave you a hard inquiry, but they didn't give you the card. You want to call them, speak to the fraud department, and say that wasn't me. Like you want to call the 3 credit bureaus and say that wasn't me. Who applied to that? What phone? What device? Nah, that wasn't me. This is fraud. Delete that on the phone to the fraud department. You want to say that they're gonna delete it in less than a day. 24-hour results. That's what you got to do. You want to get your credit report, all the negative accounts, collections, charge off, all that crap. You want to put something neat like this is an example letter. Send each letter to the 3 credit bureaus. This is example like I'm gonna have a revamped version download below. You want to create like a menu, something neat you want to create. You could probably use like Google Docs. Try to insert like tables. Try to like this, yeah. Something neat. Doesn't have to be off. I like how this one looks cool. Though this is a template, but you want to put the credit account number, and put unverified. Before that, hold on. First, all right. So first, you want to pull your credit report from Identity IQ Smart Credit. It's gonna show you a full, neat, like report of everything. All your collections, charge-offs, bankruptcies you want to get removed. Remember, it's a process. Same way you banged it and messed it up, you can't trust nobody with your information because they're gonna sell it and they're gonna use it. So you have to do it yourself. You can't be lazy. You gotta be responsible. Alright, so boom. You gotta get the number of Equifax, TransUnion, Experian, and call them. Speak to the fraud department. Any hard inquiries that you don't have an open account to, say that was fraud. That wasn't you. Who opened it? What device they used? Nah, that wasn't me. So the 24-hour results off that first. Alright, so look, you want to get your reports, all the negatives first. Second, you want to contact the secondary credit bureau, put a secondary freeze on it. They're going to send you a pin to your house through the mail for you to unfreeze. Because when you send the letters to the credit bureaus, the 3, the way they verify it is through the secondary credit bureaus. Like this one, maybe this one, all of them. You want to call all those numbers, say you want a temporary freeze, verify your information, and so they're gonna mail you home a pin. So for when you unfreeze it, after you send the 3 rounds, you unfreeze it, now you're good. Alright, so look, you wanna put the letter, put a copy of your license, your ID, and a copy of your social. utility bill with your address on it, like a proof of address on it too. And you will do this process for collections charge off at a time. Look, 21 days after the first letter, you send the second letter. 21 days after the second letters, you send the third letters. It's 24 plus 48 is for 3 rounds. It's $72. You have to do it yourself though, because you could pay this $250 a month. It's gonna take months too, because they need the rounds. It's better you do it this way, so you can mail yourself. It's $72. After the third round, they get scared. They start deleting, or the fourth round, which is probably 72, 24, 96, like $100. It's certified mail. Like, but so what? It's important because when they're gonna finance you, fund you, prove you, you can't have negative items. You gotta remove that. That's a process you gotta do. You can't pay somebody to get a hold of your social security number and your ID because they're gonna sell it and someone's gonna use it. You can't trust that way. It doesn't work. You have to do it yourself. You can't be lazy with this process. You can't trust people with your sensitive information like that. That's crazy. And then I've read and stuff. Why would they get it cleaned for you if you're paying them monthly? Why they have a better incentive to drag it off for half a year, and never clean it. So you got to do it yourself. And then on top of that, they also have an incentive to sell your information. Come on now, do it yourself. You got to do it yourself. Credit cleaning, you have to do it yourself. There's a Fair Credit Reporting Act. There's laws like many things. You're using consumer law, certified mail. It's the fundamental way of credit cleaning. You gotta do that for your collections, charge off, everything, all the negative stuff. By the time you get to the third, fourth round, it's less than $100. $96 to be exact. You use this site. They give you a receipt. Look, they give you a receipt. Certified mail. See, they give you a receipt, electronic return receipt. It's like they're doing a service for you. So you could just hook up a letter. I'm gonna have them for you, the templates. And first, like I said, get an identity IQ report. You see any hierarchies you don't got, call them. All three boroughs, call them, say it wasn't you, it was fraud. Nah, delete it. Then you want to get all the collections, charge offs, all the negatives. Put them in those letters. And you want to have like name of account number, physical address. It's probably gonna be a table I'm gonna put. You can add it on Google Docs, and then you put like make a copy of it. So like it's gonna be a Google Docs link. I want all of y'all to make a copy. Then it's gonna be in your Google Docs. At the bottom, you want to attach your ID, your social. This is your Google account, your information. You're not giving it to nobody. Don't do that. Especially your social and ID. They have an incentive to drag it off when you give it to people to do it, because you're paying them a monthly fee. Why not drag it off for years? You're giving them your social ID. After you fix it, why not sell it so somebody else can use it? Come on, think about this. Do it yourself. Don't fall for that crap. Like, come on now. Alright, so boom, you put the name of account number, and put unverified account. How they can't verify, you know why? Because look, first, you got the credit report from Identity IQ, Smart Credit. 2, you call the top 3 and all the hard inquiries you don't hold, you told them remove it, it was fraud. And then third, like LexisNexis, all of those top ones, you called and you told them to do a temporary freeze. They're gonna send you a security code in the mail. Keep it safe, because you'll need to provide that code to unfreeze your account. So never misplace it after you know the 4 rounds minimum. And by the third, fourth round, they get scared because they can't verify and they start removing things off the report. It's a process, 21 day, 21 day, 21 day, 21 day. It could take like I said, less than half a year, but this is the process you on top of your report, your file, getting it clean, getting it neat. The goal is to get half, like half 100,000 to 100,000, 150,000 in primaries with zero hard inquiries, zero negatives, so you can get any credit you want. American Express, anything. That's the goal. That's where you want it. That's what you can work on. Meanwhile, you're doing whatever you're doing. All right. So I'm gonna have like a template on Google Docs for y'all. This is how to do credit cleaning. Do it yourself. I hope y'all found it useful. Leave a like and subscribe. Peace.